Okay, we're going to select the range A3 through I3. And we're going to apply the heading 3 style. So go to style and then heading 3. And then select the range A6 through H6. And then control A14 through H14. And then control A16 through H16. And then the cell style we're going to apply is the total cell style. Select cell A4, so A4, and then click the Fill Color button and use a dark blue text to lighter 80%. I believe it's that one. Click the Font Color button and we want it to be the dark blue accent 1. For the font. And I'm guessing it did it. Let me make sure. Dark blue. Accent 1. Dark blue accent 1. Okay, I think that worked. Okay, next we want to, let me make sure we did everything we needed to here. Alright, next we want to click cell A4, which is this one. And then we want to double click the Format Painter button, which is going to be on the Home tab in the Clipboard group. So you want to double click it. And then move the pointer onto the worksheet to cause the painter to change to a plus sign with the block. Okay. Click cell A6 to assign the format of cell A4. So here. Drag through the range A16 through H16. So here all the way across to H16. And then apply the currency style to the range with the pointer still. Okay, we did that A4. Alright. And I'm wondering if this should be bold. Let's just look, because I feel like, yep, looks like it should be bold. So I'm going to press escape. Oh, and I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to bold this. And bold this. And this. And then I think for some reason this is not formatted, and maybe we will format that, but I'm going to go ahead and format it for number, currency, 2 decimal places, the $sign, and negative number, just so that we have that. And I want to go ahead and bold that too, so that all of our numbers there that we need are bolded. Okay, I got ahead of myself there. It was going to be in the next step. Alright, we'll keep moving. Alright, now we're going to select cell A18, and we're going to change the font size to 9. And then we're going to italicize and underline that. So italicize and underline. And then we're going to select the range A19 through B25 and change the font size to 9. And we're going to select the range A18 to B25. And click the fill color. And then apply the most recently used background color. And then apply the most recently used if you click the font, it should, well, we'll do it anyway. Alright, so let's just make sure that we did everything there. Select A18 and then A19. Okay, so A19 through B25 should be 9. Alright, so this is what it should look like. And again, we may need to bold that. Yeah, it looks like these should be bolded here. So I'm going to do that real quick. Font size changed to 9 point, italic, and underline. Alright, and then it wants us to click save. So we're going to save it. Alright, we're going to select the range A3 through G3. So from here all the way to G. And then we want to select A9 through G13. Alright, and now we want to insert, and we want recommended chart, and we want the, let's see, the first clustered column recommended, So it would be this one, and click OK. We want to move the chart. Click the Move Chart button. And to display the Move Chart and Button dialog box. And we want to click the New Sheet option. And we can click Expense Chart Sheet. And click OK. And then click OK to move the chart to the new chart sheet. So that's what we have done. And we'll move on. Alright, click anywhere in the chart title placeholder to select it and type "6-month projected expenses." Alright. And then we're going to click the Home tab. Alright, click the Underline button. So, well, I guess I need to select all of this. Click the Underline button. Select the text in the new title. See if we can do it this way. Maybe it will let us do underline. Okay. Click anywhere outside of the chart to deselect it. Alright, click here, and then we want to click the Chart Elements button, which is this one, and we want to display an arrow, and then click the arrow. Okay, click, wait, let me make sure. We want Axis, Chart Title, and then Data Labels. We want Outside End on the data labels. Alright, and we should have everything that they have selected there. And you can press on it again to remove that title, to remove that menu. Alright, we're going to click the Charts Filter button, and we're going to click the bonus. In the Series section, click the Bonus and Salaries option to remove those. And then click the Apply button. So it will look like this. And then you're going to click the Chart Filters button to close it, which I already have. And in the next video, we will pick up right here.